What dish perfectly encapsulates the essence of French cuisine, combining rustic charm with sophisticated flavors? That dish is none other than coq au vin, a classic that marries chicken with wine in a symphony of taste. Today we dive into the art of creating this beloved French stew. First, gather the essential ingredients. You will need a whole chicken cut into pieces, about 3 cups of full-bodied red wine, a couple of onions, a few cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, a bay leaf, about 4 ounces of button mushrooms, a handful of small pearl onions, thick-cut bacon, a splash of brandy, a touch of flour, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Begin by rendering the fat from the bacon in a large skillet. Once crisp, remove the bacon and set it aside, leaving the fat in the pan. This fat is infused with flavor and will serve as the base for browning the chicken. Add the chicken pieces to the skillet, seasoning them with salt and pepper. Brown them until each piece has a golden crust, then set aside with the bacon. In the same pan, add the chopped onions and minced garlic. Sauté these until the onions turn translucent, a process that not only softens the onions, but also picks up the fond, those delightful caramelized bits left by the chicken. Pour in a splash of brandy, allowing it to deglaze the pan, lifting the fond into a richly flavored base. Next, sprinkle a bit of flour over the onions and stir until well combined. This helps thicken the sauce later on. Return the chicken and bacon to the pan and add the mushrooms, pearl onions, a few sprigs of thyme, and a bay leaf. Pour the red wine over everything, ensuring the ingredients are nicely submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and let it cook slowly. This slow cooking is crucial as it allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the chicken to become tender, soaking up the wine and aromatics. After about an hour, check the stew. The sauce should have thickened and the chicken cooked through, with the flavors deeply infused. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. To finish, remove the thyme sprigs and bay leaf. Serve this hearty stew with a side of creamy mashed potatoes or a slice of crusty bread to soak up the delicious sauce. In summary, making coq au vin involves rendering bacon fat for flavor, browning the chicken for a golden crust, sautéing onions and garlic for depth, deglazing with brandy, and slow cooking in red wine with mushrooms and pearl onions for a rich layered stew. The result is a dish steeped in tradition and taste, a true testament to the culinary prowess of French cooking. And there you have it, a pot of coq au vin, ready to transport you straight to the heart of France with each bite.